everyone. Welcome back to VeloView, the place where we break down cars in full detail so you know exactly what you're getting before you get behind the wheel. Today we're going back a few years to talk about the 2015 Kia Forte, a compact sedan that left a solid mark in its segment for offering modern styling, impressive features, and strong value for money. Even though it's been around for a decade, this car still manages to hold its own in the used market, and there are plenty of reasons why. If you're thinking about buying a used Forte or you just want to know what made this model so popular, stick around because we're going to explore everything about it, its looks, comfort, performance, reliability, and ownership experience, all in detail. The 2015 Kia Forte arrived as part of the second generation that had debuted just a year earlier, and it represented a big leap forward for Kia in terms of design and refinement. Right away, the first thing you notice about the Forte is how stylish it looks. For a compact sedan, it has an elegant and well-proportioned design that still turns heads today. The front end is dominated by Kia's signature tiger nose grille, framed by sleek headlights that stretch toward the fenders, giving the car a confident stance. The overall shape is aerodynamic and smooth, with flowing lines that run across the sides and a gently sloping roofline that gives it a more upscale and sporty appearance. The rear end is simple but well finished, with wide tail lights and an integrated lip on the trunk lid that subtly hints at performance. The higher trims came with attractive alloy wheels and LED accent lighting, which added a touch of class. Overall, it's a design that has aged gracefully and still feels modern. Inside, the 2015 Forte impresses with a cabin that feels much more premium than you'd expect in this price range. The interior design is clean, comfortable, and driver-focused. The dashboard layout is intuitive, with all controls within easy reach, and the materials used throughout the cabin are soft touch and solid. Kia really paid attention to fit and finish here, and it shows. The seats are supportive, with plenty of cushioning for long drives, and higher trims offered extra luxuries such as leather upholstery, heated and ventilated front seats, and even heated rear seats. The steering wheel is well-shaped and comfortable to grip, with controls for audio, cruise, and phone functions built right in. The driving position is excellent, providing a clear view of the road and easy access to all controls. Space is another area where the Forte shines. Despite being a compact sedan, it offers generous legroom and headroom for both front and rear passengers. Even taller passengers can ride comfortably in the back without feeling cramped. The trunk provides around 14.9 cubic feet of cargo space, which is among the best in its class, and the rear seats fold down to expand the storage area when needed. Whether you're commuting, carpooling, or going on a weekend trip, the Forte has the practicality you'd expect. The infotainment and tech features of the 2015 Forte were quite advanced for its time. The base trims came with a 4.3-inch touchscreen and Bluetooth connectivity, while higher trims featured a larger 7-inch touchscreen with built-in navigation. Kia's Yuvo infotainment system allowed for voice commands and smartphone integration, making it one of the more user-friendly systems in the segment at that time. There were also USB ports, satellite radio, and steering wheel-mounted controls to make daily driving more convenient. It wasn't overloaded with tech, but it offered all the essentials in a simple and reliable package. Under the hood, the 2015 Forte came with 3 different engine options depending on the trim and body style. The base sedan featured a 1.8-liter 4-cylinder engine that produced 145 horsepower and 130 pound-feet of torque, paired with either a 6-speed manual or a 6-speed automatic transmission. This engine was designed with fuel efficiency in mind, delivering around 26 miles per gallon in the city and 39 on the highway, which made it a great choice for daily commuters. The X trim offered a more powerful 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine with 173 horsepower and 154 pound-feet of torque, providing quicker acceleration and better highway performance while still maintaining good fuel economy. For those who wanted a sportier experience, the Forte Coupe and Forte 5 models came with a turbocharged 1.6-liter engine producing 201 horsepower and 195 pound-feet of torque. This engine transformed the Forte into a surprisingly fun car to drive, with brisk acceleration and a more dynamic personality. On the road, the 2015 Kia Forte delivers a composed and smooth driving experience. The suspension is tuned for comfort, soaking up bumps and imperfections easily, and the cabin remains relatively quiet during normal driving. The steering feels light and responsive, making it easy to maneuver through traffic or tight parking spots. It's not the most engaging car in its class, but it's predictable, stable, and comfortable, everything most compact car buyers want. The sportier trims with the turbo engine add more excitement with sharper handling and quicker throttle response, giving drivers who want more thrill an option without sacrificing practicality. Safety is another area where the Forte performs well. It came standard with multiple airbags, anti-lock brakes, stability control, and traction control. A rearview camera was available on higher trims, which was a nice addition for the time. The 2015 Forte earned solid safety ratings, including a 4-star overall score from the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration. The build quality feels strong, and the car gives you a sense of security behind the wheel. Reliability and maintenance have been some of the Forte's biggest strengths over the years. Many owners report that the 2015 model remains dependable even after years of use, provided it's serviced regularly. Kia's engines are known for their durability, and parts are easy to find and reasonably priced. Kia's outstanding 10-year or 100,000-mile powertrain warranty also added a huge sense of confidence for buyers back in the day, and many used models are still covered under that warranty today. Maintenance costs are low, and the car's fuel efficiency keeps running costs minimal. There are, of course, a few minor drawbacks. The base engine, while efficient, doesn't offer much excitement and can feel a bit sluggish when merging onto highways or climbing steep hills. The cabin, though well built, can get a little noisy at high speeds, and the ride can feel firm over rough roads. However, these are small issues considering the overall package, especially when you factor in the price and features the Forte offers. Speaking of price, the 2015 Kia Forte was one of the most affordable compact sedans in its segment when it was new, and it continues to be a strong value on the used market today. You can often find well-maintained examples for a fraction of the price of newer competitors, yet they still offer a stylish look, comfortable interior, and dependable performance. It's a great choice for students, first-time buyers, or anyone looking for a reliable daily driver without breaking the bank. In conclusion, the 2015 Kia Forte is a compact car that successfully blends style, practicality, comfort, and efficiency. It stands out for its elegant design, comfortable and feature-rich cabin, solid fuel economy, and long-term reliability. It might not be the flashiest or fastest car in its class, but it delivers everything most drivers need with confidence and simplicity. It's one of those cars that quietly does everything right, and that's why it continues to be a smart buy even years later. So that's my full and detailed review of the 2015 Kia Forte. I hope this helped you get a clear picture of what this car offers and whether it's the right one for you. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts down in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, VeloView, for more honest, detailed, and exciting car reviews every single week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.